常这个感谢。
就是中国 We wanted to make you feel at home。他们想让你感到宾至如归。Hello, how are you? That's another Chinese language. The three characters. Nice, thank you so much. 习主席你好。
啊，你是从哪里来的？
我从北京。
哎，
北京，谢谢。
教他们教这些，他们就完全是中国孩子。
If she continues teaching like this, these two kids will be Chinese kids.
就是中国的孩子也可能没有他懂这么多的诗。
And Chinese kid at her age might not know as many as Chinese poets as she does.